Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Thanks, Pocky. This is 4 words, and this is going to tell us what we'll talk about today. F-L-A-G-S spells flags. O-F spells of. T-H-E spells the. And W-O-R-L-D spells world. Flags of the world. That's what we're going to talk about today. I have a good friend named Cyclone Cindy, and this book is from her. And if you like this book, you can get one from her. There's a link in the description that can take you to her website. So today we're going to do an introduction to this book, and it talks about all the different flags all over the world. There are flags from the countries in Africa and Asia, Oceania, from Europe, from North and Central America, and from South America. And we'll go through all these different flags, but not today. Today we're just going to do an introduction. So in this book, it's pretty cool because it has a flag, and then it will tell us on each of the flags, it will tell us when that country adopted that flag. So, for example, Algeria adopted their flag July 3rd, 1962. So that's when they adopted this specific flag. So on this page, they don't have the dates for when they adopted the flags, but some of these special flags you'll recognize. They're not for specific countries. They're for different things. So like United Nations and NATO, those are two international organizations. Red Cross and Red Crescent, those are also organizations, international organizations. Europe, that's a whole continent. So this is their flag, the flag of Europe. And then Hong Kong is just a region in China. So they're also a city, which is pretty cool. All right, so flags, we're just going to be looking at the fronts of the flags. So the United Nations has a flag, but I don't have the sticker for it. It's not in this book. But that's what the United Nations flag looks like. Hong Kong, this is what their flag looks like. And this little spot underneath here, the date and place. If you get this book, which I think is really awesome, you can put, if you ever see it in real life, this flag, you can put the date and where you saw it. So that's pretty neat. Europe. Here is Europe's sticker, flag sticker. So, let me show you where these places are. Okay, so we have this cool globe that's kind of squishy, and it can show us different places. So Hong Kong is in China. There's China, that big one right there. So Hong Kong is there. And Europe, this is Europe right here. So all these little countries here, those are all part of Europe. And then they have a flag that represents all their countries together. Okay, NATO. That is something where a bunch of different countries all over the world meet together to agree on things. Kind of like the United Nations. The Red Cross, you've probably seen this. The Red Cross is an organization that helps when people get hurt or sick. And the Red Crescent is kind of like that too. So they have flags so that you know when you see those, that represents those people should be there. Okay? So that's just the first introduction of this book. It has all sorts of sticker flags in it. 200 stickers.
Did you find my baby chick? Thank you for coming to visit me today. Have a lovely day.